Launch your print-on-demand business with stunning designs, no experience required. If you've dreamed of starting your own print-on-demand shop but felt intimidated by design tools or technical aspects, Creative Merch Empire offers a simplified path. This powerful software enables you to create professional quality designs that can be instantly applied to a wide range of products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more, helping you stand out in the competitive custom merchandise market. Creative Merch Empire is an all-in-one platform designed for print-on-demand entrepreneurs. It provides an intuitive system for creating eye-catching artwork quickly, eliminating the need for complex design programs or hiring freelancers. The software offers everything needed to produce high-quality prints customers love, from bold typography to trendy illustrations, even for those with no prior design experience. Print-on-demand is a rapidly growing online business model where unique and attractive designs are key to success. Creative Merch Empire equips creators with the ability to compete without needing expensive tools or extensive experience. Key benefits include easy-to-use design tools suitable for beginners and pros, hundreds of templates and elements, instant product previews, unlimited design possibilities for any niche, and a fast workflow for quick product launches. No design skills are needed, just ideas and imagination. This tool is perfect for new and growing print-on-demand businesses, including entrepreneurs starting their first online shop, Etsy, Shopify, and Redbubble sellers, influencers, creators seeking branded merchandise, local businesses needing custom apparel, and anyone looking to monetize their creativity. Great designs enhance brand building, attract followers, and boost sales. Creative Merch Empire helps you create viral-worthy graphics, build themed collections, stand out in competitive niches, offer personalized products, and keep your store fresh with new designs weekly, providing more opportunities for business growth. Currently, Creative Merch Empire is available at a special discounted price, making it an opportune moment to start or expand your print-on-demand venture. Its low entry cost and unlimited creative potential make it an accessible way to build a profitable online business. In conclusion, Creative Merch Empire is more than just a design tool, it's a comprehensive creative engine for print-on-demand success. Its user-friendly features, stunning templates, and endless customization empower anyone to build a thriving merchandise brand from the ground up. If you are ready to transform your ideas into income and launch a shop with beautiful, high-quality products, this software provides all the necessary resources to achieve your goals.